Since the Industrial Revolution, economic development has been fundamentally dependent on fossil fuel. Finding clean, sustainable sources of energy is of course central to reducing dependency on fossil fuel, and huge strides have been made in making renewable power more competitive. But the adoption of renewable energy is meaningless unless accompanied by a wide-ranging improvement in energy efficiency.
Modern cities have high comfort demands. At the same time, the cities they are growing. This goes as well for the demand to heating and cooling, both in quantity and quality, or say comfort. At the same time, the energy supply will shift into fluctuating renewable sources, like for instance wind power or solar thermal energy. The challenge ahead is to handle the fluctuating renewable sources in a cost-efficient way. Here, district heating and cooling has proven to be a good flexible energy infrastructure and therefore a good pathway to meet this challenge of the future.
Hamburg is undoubtedly the district heating capital of Germany. With the goal of connecting 50,000 additional households to the district heating network by the year 2020, Hamburg will be even more ahead compared to the rest of the country regarding the supply with district heating.
To expand the district heating system in Hamburg is to future-proof the energy system of the city, both in terms of existing and future energy sources and in terms of utilizing the concept of combined heat and power. Applying efficient components and systems opens up for lower temperatures in the district heating network, leading to increased availability of renewable low-temperature sources that otherwise would be wasted. Utilizing available energy at hand is a great example of energy efficiency.
The energy concept also sets standards. The Danfoss control equipment installed in a wide range of buildings for distribution of district heating ensures that every single kilowatt of energy is being used as efficiently as possible to benefit the house owners, tenants, and the energy supplier. In the winter, there is hardly a more discussed topic in China than air quality. As citizens in northeastern Chinese cities wake up to unhealthy environment, one city is moving in another direction. With just above 2.5 million citizens, Anshan in the northeastern Chinese province Liaoning has about half the population of Denmark. Most of the people living in Anshan have already experienced a big change in the air quality.
从我刚开始到鞍山，鞍山的可以说给我的这个印象，特别是在环境方面，并不是非常的尽如人意，因为鞍山有一个非常大的钢厂，那么这个钢厂每天需要生产，那么它会产生很多的这个环境方面的这个污染和影响。 但是经过这些年鞍山市政府的这个大力的一些环境方面的环保的投资，那么整个鞍山的城市环境发生了一个巨大的变化。那么我们可以看到这个鞍山的天空更加蓝了，空气质量比以前要有所很大的改进。
The Danfoss Anshan project was nominated and given the Intelligent Urbanization Special Award. It is given to recognize a project or initiative that contributes to improving the quality of life in the urban space.
I think we got the Green Tech Award for the air pollution, for the reduction of that, of course, but also that this is a scalable project. This project can be used also in other cities, not only in Anshan. And we already have started to discuss with other cities now, and in the application for the award we also mentioned this.
受益是多方面的了。首先我觉得这个事情和丹佛市的合作，首先是解决了鞍山的环境问题，就是通过这个项目呢，这个节能了、减排了，大量的氮氧化物和二氧化碳减排，整个对鞍山主城区的环境质量，尤其是空气的这个清洁、这个治理起到了非常大的作用。所以说，它也是解决了鞍山未来的发展问题。都知道这个我们现在我们国家这个环境问题是制约发展的一个瓶颈问题，所以说把环境问题解决了，对未来的发展的作用那是至关重要的。
We can improve by making the system much more efficient, modern, state-of-the-art system that really reduces the energy cost, reducing the amount of energy used, and in the end also having positive impact on the pollution rate which is emitted in the cities.
那么丹佛斯和鞍山市政府的合作也是有几年了，大概从2010年前后，应该是跟鞍山市政府有一个非常密切的合作。那么就是市政府在整个城市供暖改造这个项目上，利用了鞍山丹佛斯的供热产品。那么我们这个产品主要是用于这个城市的供暖。以前的供暖方式主要是以这个燃煤。用燃煤来燃烧，来进行供暖。那么，因为煤的燃烧会产生很多的二氧化碳，那么对城市的空气环境会有很大的这个污染。那么我们新的这种丹佛斯的产品会提供一个非常好的这个解决方案。那么它会充分利用鞍钢生产过程中产生的这个余热来进行供暖。那么就减少了这个燃煤的消耗量，那么对整个城市环境啊，还有这个居民的生活的这个居住的舒适度会有一个很大的改进。
Cities are home to 80% of Europe's population and are responsible for 70% of greenhouse gas emissions. They are at once the source of the problem and the solution. Urban leaders are therefore embracing a new vision of supplying energy to their cities, one that combines local renewables, cogeneration plants and district heating in one low-carbon network.
At Danfoss, we see the transition towards the future sustainable energy system in cities as a challenge we are taking up. On short term, in regard to upgrading and expanding existing district heating systems. On the long term, in developing and implementing the future functionalities and concepts that will define district heating and district cooling in the future sustainable energy system.